Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the environment right. Flip the silent switch and make sure Do Not Disturb is off so sounds can play. Once done, open the phone app and tap voicemail, then select the message you want to adjust. Make sure no Bluetooth device or wired headphones are connected. If they are, disconnect them so the iPhone speaker is used. This initial setup prevents routing issues and lets you control the actual playback volume immediately with the on-device controls. With the voicemail playing, press the physical volume up button on the side of your iPhone. Playback uses the media/alert channel, so pressing during playback directly raises audible level. If you need a higher baseline, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, and adjust ringtone and alerts. Make sure Change with Buttons is set how you prefer. Enable it to let the side buttons alter alerts, or disable it to keep a fixed alert level and adjust only media. These steps explain why the buttons behave differently depending. Finish by testing playback on speaker. Play the voicemail again and use volume up to confirm louder output. If it still sounds low, restart your iPhone to clear temporary audio glitches and make sure iOS and carrier settings are up to date because updates often fix voicemail audio. If problems persist, try playing a different voicemail or use speakerphone while on a visual voicemail call to compare levels. Quick troubleshooting tip. If audio is distorted or silent, restart and reconnect Bluetooth before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.